Yes, I am ready. We are gonna rip this mother out. Okay. I'm gonna knock a bit of my mud off.
For those who can't judge the distance from at home, that's probably 40 feet down as well as 50 feet away.
Yeah.
Where that, if you can see the luge where it's floating.
Yeah, the black sled thing.
No step itself is very far to begin with, but there's multiple steps.
And
that one.
Pool raised the bottom
that
here.
one.
Probably pretty.
That one.
Yeah, I'm guessing that one's deep. We'll see in a minute when I fall in. I think it's deep right here, and then it shallows out. But,
This is where we jump to that gravel bar, I think, isn't it? Spidey, jump! Good job. You stayed dry.
they have much of a choice there, but...
Okay, I'm going to close it out and then I'm going to throw it down.